This session is going to basically quickly create a login form. You can actually see here I've done my login form one container. I'm going to change that to my register form one container. Okay, file, save. Just making sure, so that needs to be changed to, well, actually change that to my register form. So file, save, just go refresh our page, make sure that the register form still works fine. Okay, so we're going to go back to Dreamweaver. I'm going to go back to our source code. We are basically going to grab all of what we've just created, which will be for that div there, and we're going to copy, and we are going to paste, and this time we're going to change register to login. I'm just basically going to copy that bit of text. I'm just going to change everything along here. So we've got our name, we're going to need our email, we're going to need password, we're going to need, but we're not going to need so file, save. So what we're going to do, we're just going to add login to the, so that we don't have duplicates. Like so, so our code is all correct. We're going to go to our index CSS, and we're going to copy all of the CSS that we created for that form. Paste it back in. We're then going to call this login. And hopefully, file, save. We should be able to refresh our page, and we should now be able to go to Web Console, see our registration form and our login form. What we could just finally do in both of these is just put another label and we can give that form, and we can go up here, do another one here, and change that to and We could even give this an ID of reg form title, and same here, ID login form title, file, like so. File, save. Just go back to my page, refresh, go back here, open up my, so I've got registration form there. I could go here, just add a new rule and put text align center, font size 2 VW, it's too big, 1.5 VW, and we could do margin bottom 1 VH. Copy that rule, go to our CSS where we've got the looking at the registration form now, so let's do so we can do here, and we can change this one to just go and have a look. Login form title, copy index CSS, file, save, refresh my page, go to my web console, just close that one up, just show that one, registration form, login form. Login form just asking for the name, email and password. Registration form adding for the addition of password and confirm password. And that's how we create the login form.